Now students, see page number 17. I am reading this paragraph, democracy promotion. Take a close look at the two cartoons on this and on the next page. Now all of you see this cartoon. You can see on page number 17 and another cartoon on page number 18. So all of you see carefully. These cartoons raise a fundamental question related to global democracy. Now these two cartoons, if we see carefully, observe carefully, so question can be raised in your mind about the global democracy. Many powerful countries in the world, particularly the United States of America, have taken on the task of democracy promotion in the rest of the world. So some countries like America, now such countries, powerful countries, now working for the promotion of democracy in the rest of the world, for the establishment of the democracy. The countries which are non-democratic country. So in such a countries, these countries means powerful countries working for the establishment of democracy in that countries. As well as they say that propagating the values of democracy is not enough. Propagating means spreading out. According to such a powerful countries, only spreading out, propagating values, democratic values and principles, not enough. So what is important? Existing democracies should directly intervene. Intervene means interfere. Now, according to such countries, intervene means interferes. Should directly intervene, should directly interference in countries, in a non-democratic countries that are non-democratic. Why intervene? Why interference? Which is important for the establishment of the democracy there. In some cases, powerful countries have launched armed attack on non-democratic countries. Now, these powerful countries started army attack for the establishment of democracy in a non-democratic countries. This is what Sushmita was talking about. Now we have studied whatever the conversation which was going on. So one of the student, Sushmita, now she was talking about such an attack. Now remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.